1,000 horsepower, 0 to 200 kilometers in less than 6 seconds.
Reach it.
Top speeds of 350 kilometers per hour. Ladies and gentlemen, the Mercedes-AMG Project One.
One day has just begun. AMG, driving the future of performance.
Woo!